why sage leaf is called the memory herb. 9 amazing benefits you didn't know. Join me, guys, up until the end. Ethel, Allera here. Let's go, guys.
Why sage leaf is called the memory herb. 9 amazing benefits you didn't know.
Did you know that one simple leaf can sharpen your memory, calm your nerves, and even fight aging? In today's video, we're talking about sage, the powerful herb known as the memory herb. Stay with me as I reveal 9 science-backed benefits of sage that can truly change your health. Here are 9 amazing benefits you didn't know. The top 1 health benefit that we can get out of sage leaf boosts memory and brain function. Sage contains compounds that enhance cognitive performance and may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. The top 2 health benefits that we can get out of sage leaf reduces inflammation. Rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation throughout the body. Moving on, the third health benefit that we can get of sage leaf supports oral health. Antibacterial properties help reduce plaque, bad breath, and gum infections. The fourth health benefit that we can get of sage leaf balances blood sugar levels, may help regulate blood glucose and improve insulin sensitivity. Before we continue, which benefit surprised you the most so far? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying this kind of natural health content, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more wellness wisdom right here on this channel. The fifth health benefit that we can get out of sage leaf soothes sore throat and cough. Used as a natural remedy for throat infections and colds. The sixth health benefit of sage leaf improves digestion, stimulates bile flow, and helps relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. The seventh health benefit that we can get of sage leaf promotes hormonal balance in women, helpful in managing menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. The eighth health benefit that we can get out of sage leaf strengthens the immune system. Its antimicrobial properties protect against infections. The ninth health benefit that we can get out of sage leaf fights skin aging. Sage contains vitamin A, calcium, and antioxidants that rejuvenate skin and delay wrinkles. So, now you know why sage has been treasured for centuries. From boosting brain power to fighting disease naturally. If you learned something new today, share this video with someone who needs it and make sage part of your daily health routine. See you in the next video. Stay well and stay wise. Sage leaves. What are they? Sage leaves come from the herb Salvia officinalis, a fragrant gray-green plant in the mint family, native to the Mediterranean. Sage has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Known as the herb of longevity and wisdom, sage is famous not only for its earthy flavor, but also for its powerful healing properties. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.